Okay, so yeah, same topic, wrong number in the series. Okay, wrong number in the series. We will solve different questions. First one is 23, 27, 28, 36, 63 and 127. This is the question. So e series ali you should find out which is the wrong number. So first step, what is the first step?
Subtraction.
Yes, so subtraction ascending order alli ಇದೆ, so we should do it in this order, subtraction. So I want you guys to tell me the answer. One by one subtraction ಹೇಳಿ. Come on guys, fast ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Subtraction. Yes, first one is 4. What is the next subtraction?
1.
Okay, I want everyone to answer, not just one or two. Everyone should answer. Simple subtraction. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and you should be very fast in subtraction because number series ಅಲ್ಲಿ subtraction, you will use subtraction. Even in this you will use subtraction. Many other questions you should do this. So everyone try it and tell me the answer.
8. 7.
Okay. Wait, 36 minus 28 is 8. Correct. What is the next subtraction? 63 minus 36?
27.
Yeah, correct.
27.
Next subtraction, 127 minus 63?
64.
Yeah, correct. Now, take some time, everyone. ನೀವು try to remember what all we've done during number series. And please try, idu in pattern, please try to figure it out. What pattern is it? It is very simple, straightforward. If you have practiced, I told you, right? First 20 prime numbers, first 20 squares of numbers, cubes of numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. Adella ನೀವು practice ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will straightforward you can understand the series. So try ಮಾಡಿ. What series is this? You just check. First number is 4. Okay. After 4, next number 1, then 8, 27, 64. So idu 4 to 1 it is decreasing. Matte 1, 8, 27, 64 it is increasing. So ee pattern nodidre clearly we can, first of all we can tell that 4 is the wrong pattern. Illi pattern wrong ide. Okay, because illi decrease, it is decreasing. Suddenly from here it is increasing again. So we can tell 4 is the wrong number in this, in the pattern alli the first number 4 is wrong. Okay, but pattern what pattern is this? After 1, why did we get 8? After 8, why 27? After 27, why 64? Can anyone try ಮಾಡಿ? It's simple. It's straightforward. Did you all practice cubes of numbers? What is 1 cube? Can anyone tell me what is 1 cube?
1.
Simple. 1 cube is 1. What is 2 cube?
8.
Yes. 3 cube? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. What is 4 cube?
64.
Yes. So see these 1, 8, 27, 64, it is cubes of numbers. Okay, so 4 place alli ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? What is the wrong pattern? 4, 1, 8, 27, 64 is the wrong pattern. But correct pattern alli 4, in place of 4, what is the correct number? ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬಂತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Before 1 cube, what number? What comes before 1?
0.
So 0 cube. So correct pattern in place of 4, 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay. So now in the given series, which is the wrong number? Pattern ಅಲ್ಲಿ first number is itself wrong. So in the series, which is the wrong number?
23.
Yeah, 23. ಇದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Only one person is giving me answers. Why? Is everyone else understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try to answer everyone. It's okay if it's wrong and I'll correct it, okay? But everyone should answer. Okay, so yeah, 23 is the wrong number in the series. Can you tell me what is the correct number? Illi what correct number enu what should be the correct number? 23 is wrong, okay, we understood, but what is the correct number? Simple, we know the
25.
pattern. How 25? Why 25? See, a wrong pattern we know 4, 1, 8, 27. This is the wrong pattern. First number 4 is only wrong. That's why 23 is the wrong number. But now we know the correct pattern. What is the correct pattern? 0, 1, 8, 27 and 64. 27 plus 1, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. So itara addition madidre you will get the next number. So previous number, what will be the previous number? In this place, what is the correct number?
0.
27 minus 0. Yes. What is 27 minus 0?
27.
That's it. Simple. 27 is the correct answer. So what is the correct series here? 27, 27, 28, 36, 63 and 127. This is the correct series. Did everyone understand this? Because very less people are giving answers. So please tell me, did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate. Okay, please ask me. So simple. That's why I said always practice cubes of numbers, squares of numbers. At least if you nimge first 5 cubes, at least if you remember, immediately by seeing the pattern you'll understand it is cubes of numbers. Just by looking at 1, 8, 27 itself, you should understand, okay, this is cubes of numbers, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Okay, that's why before the exam, please practice squares of numbers, cubes of numbers and prime numbers. Anyways, even numbers and odd numbers are simple. I'm sure nimge ellargu adu gottirutte, but these you should practice. You should remember those numbers. Okay, so that's why practice that. So if everyone understood this, I'll clear this and let's move on to the next question. So please tell me if everyone got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question. 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 39. This is the series. Idu check madi. Check with the difference first.
Ma'am, 4.
Okay, 4. Next difference.
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, 2.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. Next one.
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
Oh.
3.
How 3? 39 minus 37 is 2.
2.
So really, if we look straight away, the pattern is itself totally different. Okay. See the numbers pattern. Don't see the pattern. Forget about the pattern. Just numbers. Nodi, what numbers are they? 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. What numbers are they? First of all, are they all odd numbers? Ella odd numbers. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so based on odd numbers, we cannot say anything is wrong because all the numbers are odd. But there is one more important type of numbers which we are, think about it: 19, 23, 27, 31. What numbers are they?
Prime numbers.
Yes, correct. Prime numbers. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers only. Are all 6 are they prime numbers? Check Madi. One by one, let's check. Is 19 a prime number? Everyone, I want everyone to answer. Try, at least try. It's okay. Just say yes or no. If it's yes, it's okay. If it's no, then I'll tell you why no. Okay, so please, everyone answer. Is 19 a prime number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 19 is a prime number. Next, 23. Is 23 a prime number?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, 29.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 31.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
37.
Yes, ma'am.
39.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, 39 is not a prime number because 39 is divisible by 3. 39 by 3 is what? 13. 13 into 3 is 39. So 39 is not a prime number. So directly, which is the wrong number in the series? 39. Why? Because it is not prime. Understood, everyone? Simple. All these numbers are prime. All these numbers are prime. Only 39 is not prime. That's why 39 is the wrong number in the series. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Forty-one, 48. Just a minute. 58, 65, 75, 89, 92. This is the series. Yes, now quickly tell me the subtraction one by one.
7.
Okay. Next. What's the next one?
10.
Okay. Yes, correct. Next one.
7.
7.
Yes. Next.
10.
10.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. Next.
Ma'am, 14.
Okay. Next.
3.
3. Correct. So this is the series. So clearly pattern wrong. It is 7, 10, 7, 10. Same pattern follow agbeku, but after 10 it is becoming 14. Let us check with the correct pattern. The correct pattern is 7, 10, 7, 10, 7 and 10 again. Did you understand this? It is just alternate 7, 10, 7, 10 and again 7, 10. Did everyone understand the pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we will write the correct series. Okay. First number 47. 47 plus 7, 48. 48 plus 10, 58. 58, 58 plus 7, 65. 65 plus 10, 75. 75 plus 7 is 82. 82 plus 10 is 92. This is the wrong series. This is the correct series. So compare these two and tell me which is the wrong number in the series.
89.
82. 89.
82 is the correct. Idu correct series. Okay, don't get confused. This is the wrong. This is the given question. This is the wrong series. This is the wrong pattern. So this, after seeing this, we understood what is the correct pattern. Idu nodi 7 10 7 10. After that it is changing. So the pattern is wrong here. Till here it is correct. After this idu wrong pattern ide. So from this we figured out what is the correct pattern, which is 7 10 7 10. Again 7 10 barutte. Using this correct pattern, we wrote down this correct series. So ivaga compare these two, and we should check which number is different, which number is changing. So in these two, this number is changing. So this is the wrong number. Okay, understood? 89 is the wrong number. 82 is the correct number. Okay, this is correct. And 89 is the wrong number. Did you get it? Everyone, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah, don't get confused. Okay, ಇದು check ಮಾಡಿ which is wrong series, which is the wrong series, which is the correct series. Okay, so yeah, we'll move on to the next one. Yeah, 131, 110, 89, 74, 63, 56, 53. This is the series. Now quickly tell me, idu descending order illide, so subtraction is in this order. So tell me the subtraction one by one. What is it? What is the first subtraction?
21.
21.
Yeah, 21. Next, what is the next one?
Ma'am, 21.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, 15.
Okay, next. 74 minus 63.
Ma'am, 11.
Okay, next. 63 minus 56. Everyone else give answers.
Ma'am,
Why
7.
only one? Okay, 7. Next, 56 minus 53.
Ma'am, 3.
3.
Okay, yeah, correct. So from here, if we see 21 again 15, we're not really understanding. Check from the other side. Okay, so you see this 3 7 11 15 pattern ide. What is the pattern? 3 plus, what is 3 plus 4?
7.
Okay, 7 plus 4?
11.
11.
11 plus 4?
15.
Okay, so pattern match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. What is the pattern here? Plus 4. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. If we do, we are getting the pattern correctly. Okay, what is 15 plus 4?
21.
19,
No.
ma'am.
15 plus 4, is it 21? It's not 21, it's 19. So
19.
yes, correct. 15 plus 4 is 19. But illi wrong pattern bartide. So this is where it is going wrong, the pattern. So we will write down the correct pattern first. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. What is 19 plus 4?
23.
23.
Yeah, correct. Now we will write down the pattern, correct pattern. Back side in the we will write, because pattern now back side in the check madidvi, right? So we will
Yes, ma'am.
also write the pattern from back side. First number 53 as it is. 53 plus addition, we should add. Okay, addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is 53 plus 3? 53 plus 3. 56. 56 plus, yeah, correct. 56 plus 7.
Ma'am, 63.
Okay, 63 plus 11.
Ma'am, 74.
Okay, 74 plus 15.
Ma'am, 89.
89.
89.
Yeah, 89 plus 19.
Ma'am,
120. 110.
110 ಅಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಇದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಆನ್ ಯರ್ ಓನ್. ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 89 plus 19, what is it? Do the addition and tell me what is 89 plus 19.
108, ma'am.
108. 108 plus 23.
108 plus 23. Ma'am, 131.
131. This is the wrong series. This is the correct series. Now compare these two and tell me which is the wrong number in the series. Don't get confused. My question is which is the wrong number in the series. Idu eradu compare ಮಾಡಿ.
110.
Yes.
110.
Yes, 110. Because all other numbers, ella numbers, they are matching. All other numbers are the same. See, 89, 74, 63, 56, 53, even 131. Only number which is changing is the second number. Illi 110 ide, but the correct number should be 108. Okay, that's why 110 is the wrong number in the series. Did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm telling again, wrong series, nodi, don't get confused in addition and subtraction. Okay, the question which they have given is itself wrong. Question is wrong ide, so your work is to find out what is the wrong number. Okay, so neevu confuse agi don't give one more wrong answer. Okay, so be careful, do addition and subtraction carefully. Next question. 243, 81, 27, 9, 3 and 2. This is your question. Quickly check it. Check with the division first. Sorry, not division, subtraction.
Ma'am, 162.
Sorry, can you repeat? What is it?
162.
Okay.
162.
Okay, 162. Next.
Ma'am, 54.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, 18. Miss, 8.
8, 1 minute. 27 minus 9. Okay, 18. Next.
Ma'am, 6.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay. Do you see a pattern here? Is there any pattern? It is simple. Just think a little and you will get the answer. Did anyone get it? Anyone? See, if ivaga pattern alli this big numbers, if you look at the big numbers, if you're not able to understand, it's fine. Reverse and start madi. Either way, it's fine. See here, what is 6 into 3? 6 into 3 is to? What is 6 threes are?
Ma'am, 18.
18. Okay, what is 18 into 3?
Ma'am, 54.
Okay, what is 54 into 3?
Ma'am, 162.
Pattern, is it coming? Is the pattern matching now? Into 3? Either from here to the end it is matching, but here it is not. What is 1 into 3?
3.
1 into 3 is 3, but here the next number is 6. So clearly the first number in the pattern is itself wrong. I mean, each side from the right side, if we look at it, it is the first, or we can say the last number in the pattern is wrong. So in the given series, which is the wrong number? ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Forget about the answer. ಈ pattern, did everyone understand the pattern? I want everyone to answer. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Simple. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 3, 54. 54 into 3, 162. But 1 into 3 is what? 3. Illi 3 barbeku, but there is 6 here. So this E into 3 pattern, 1 is not following. Means 1 is the wrong pattern here. So if 1 is the wrong pattern in the given series, which is the wrong number? Okay, what is the correct pattern? 2 is the wrong number. Correct. Let's write down the correct pattern. First 162. What is 162 divided by 3? 162 divided by 3 is 54. 54 divided by 3? 18. 18 by 3, 16. What is 6? 18 divided by 3 is 6. What is 6 divided by 3?
2.
6 divided by 3 is 2. Yes. So nodi here wrong pattern. 1 ide. In place of 2, 1 ide. Okay, so this is the correct pattern. We'll write down the correct series now. First number 243. 243 illi subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, 243 minus 162 is 243 minus 162 is 81. 81 minus 54 is 27. 27 minus 18 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is the wrong series. This is the correct series. So compare these two and now tell me which is the wrong number in the series.
Ma'am.
Which is the wrong one?
2.
2.
Yes, this is the wrong series. This is the correct series. So check ಮಾಡಿ all numbers. 243, 243, 81 matching. 27 is here, 9 is here, 3 is here. Here there's 2, but here it is 1. Correct number is 1. So the wrong number is 2. This is the wrong number. Did everyone understand? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, don't get confused. Take your time. Do it slowly. Okay. So you should just compare the wrong series, correct series, and which number is different. Adu wrong number agutte. Okay. That is the wrong number from the wrong series. Okay. So did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.